Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send Cardano, ADA, from your Ledger Nano X to KuCoin in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely, especially with the latest updates in blockchain tech. This step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and stress-free, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need your Ledger Nano X device, the Ledger Live app installed on your computer, and a verified KuCoin account. Always double-check that your Ledger is updated to the latest firmware. It's crucial for security in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. Step 1. Open the Ledger Live app and connect your Nano X using the USB cable. Enter your PIN on the device to unlock it. Once you're in, navigate to the Accounts section and select your Cardano wallet. You'll see your ADA balance right there. Exciting, right? Next, head over to KuCoin on your web browser or app. Log in to your account and go to the deposit page. Select Cardano, ADA, from the list of cryptocurrencies. This will generate a unique wallet address for you. Copy that address carefully, as it's your key to success here. Now, back in Ledger Live, click on the Send button for your Cardano account. Paste the KuCoin wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of ADA you want to send, but remember to leave enough for any network fees, which might have changed by 2025. Review the transaction details on your Ledger screen. Never approve anything on the computer alone. Hit Confirm on your Ledger Nano X, and voila, your transaction is on its way. It usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours to confirm on the Cardano network, depending on congestion. Keep an eye on your KuCoin account to see when the funds arrive. One last thing. Always prioritize security. Double-check addresses to avoid scams, and never share your seed phrase. If you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.